Ryan Little.
Okay, so the sides are out, the bottom cover is out, and this plastic trim piece is out. The goal for the next few days is to pull the battery and then all of this wiring out. This should be all just for police stuff, so there's not really a need for it. The car has a charging issue, so I don't know if this has something to do with it, so hopefully we can knock out two things at the same time. But there's no need for all this crap. I'm gonna pull it for this black plastic ring that the tire sits in. A lot of dudes on the G8s are putting fuel cells in there. So maybe that's something that we can look at. But for the most part, I just want to clean it up and pull a little bit of weight out of it for next year. I'd actually have to get a scale and a tote, and maybe as we're going or when I'm done, put everything in the tote and see how much weight we're actually going to pull out of the car. I was always interested in that when I had the truck. Never got around to it, so I thought maybe we could do it for the car. Like always, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Walmart's closed, so I'm going to go tomorrow and get a scale. I'll do everything in the tote as one weight, and then I'll do a second weight with the battery for overall. But it's cleaned up in here. Some of the wires that I couldn't cut, I hid real nice. I had to cut the zip ties still, but clean it up. I'm gonna leave the plastic tub in there for now for the spare tire. Because the car is going to sit for the winter, I don't need any creatures finding their way inside of the trunk. So when it does come time to do the fuel cell, I'll end up pulling that. I will probably put all this nice matting back in so it looks presentable for now. And same thing so the creatures don't eat it, no mice or anything. So like I said, it's 2 o'clock now, so hopefully in the morning we can go grab a scale and wrap up the video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.